Use the healthy eating plate as a guide for creating healthy, balanced meals, whether served at the table or packed in a lunchbox. Building a healthy and balanced diet? Make most of your meal vegetables and fruits, half of your plate. Aim for color and variety, and remember that potatoes don't count as vegetables on the healthy eating plate because of their negative impact on blood sugar. For whole grains, 1/4 of your plate. Whole and intact grains, whole wheat, barley, wheat berries, quinoa, oats, brown rice, and foods made with them, such as whole wheat pasta, have a milder effect on blood sugar and insulin than white bread, white rice, and other refined grains. Protein power, 1/4 of your plate. Fish, poultry, beans, and nuts are all healthy, versatile protein sources. They can be mixed into salads and pair well with vegetables on a plate. Limit red meat and avoid processed meats such as bacon and sausage. Healthy plant oils, in moderation. Choose healthy vegetable oils like olive, canola, soy, corn, sunflower, peanut, and others, and avoid partially hydrogenated oils containing unhealthy trans fats. Remember that low fat does not mean healthy. The healthy eating plate advises consumers to avoid sugary beverages, a significant source of calories, usually with little nutritional value, in the American diet. The main message of the healthy eating plate is to focus on diet quality. The type of carbohydrate in the diet is more important than the amount of carbohydrate in the diet because some sources of carbohydrates, like vegetables, other than potatoes, fruits, whole grains, and beans, are healthier than others. Drink water, coffee, or tea. Skip sugary drinks, limit milk and dairy products to 1 to 2 servings daily for health. And limit juice to a small water glass. 8 to 12 cups of water daily. 2. Dark green vegetables. Eat dark green vegetables at least 3 to 4 times a week. Good options include broccoli, peppers, Brussels sprouts, and leafy greens like kale and spinach. 3. Whole grain. Eat whole grains at least 2 or 3 times daily. Look for whole wheat flour, rye, oatmeal, barley, amaranth, quinoa, or a multigrain. A good source of fiber has 3 to 4 grams per serving. 4. Beans and lentils. Try to eat a bean-based meal at beans and lentils. Try to eat a bean-based meal at least once a week. Add legumes including beans and lentils to soups, stews, casseroles, salads, and dips, or eat them plain. 5. Fish. Try to eat 2 to 3 servings of fish a week. A serving consists of 3 to 4 ounces of cooked fish. Good choices are salmon, trout, herring, bluefish, sardines, and tuna. Once a week. Add legumes, including beans and lentils, to soups, stews, casseroles, salads, and dips, or eat them plain. 6. Berries. Include 2 to 4 servings of fruit in your diet each day. Try to eat raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. 7. Winter squash. Eat butternut and acorn squash as well as other richly pigmented dark orange and green colored vegetables like sweet potato, cantaloupe, and mango. 8. Soy. 25 grams of soy protein daily is recommended as a low-fat diet to help lower cholesterol levels. Try tofu, soy milk, edamame soybeans, tempeh, and texturized vegetable protein, TVP. 9. Flaxseed nuts and seeds. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed or other seeds to food each day, or include a moderate amount of nuts, 1/4 cup, in your daily diet. 10. Organic yogurt. Men and women between 19 and 50 need 1,000 milligrams of calcium daily and 1,200 milligrams if 50 or older. Eat calcium-rich foods such as non-fat or low-fat dairy products 3 to 4 times a day. Include organic choices,